You see, in every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. You find the fun, and snap! The job's a game.
And every task you undertake becomes a piece of cake, a lock of spring. It's very clear to see that a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down. The medicine go down. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in a most delightful way. A robin feathering his nest has very little time to rest, while gathering his bits of twine and twig. The fragrant tent is pursuit. He has a narrative to tell. He knows a song about the traveler.
You see, in every job that must be done, there is a nun. You find the nun, and snap! The nun's a gay nun. Lol, it's very clear to toot that a spoonful of shit helps the cake go down. The cake go down. Just a spoonful of shit helps the medicine